Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your luxury premier real estate company here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today, we're about to show you two gorgeous beaches. We're going to feature Playa Penca and Playa Prieta. Come enjoy this tour of these gorgeous beaches with us today in paradise. At the beautiful Playa Prieta. You've got swaying palm trees, beautiful sands, and a gorgeous bay. I love this beach because it has the rocky outcrops on both sides, beautiful soft sands. It's a great way to spend the day in Costa Rica. Playa Prieta is bordered by jungle and its crystal clear tropical waters. Here you can watch the birds, iguanas, and you can often even see turtles hatching here. Playa Prieta is truly a hidden gem. You can access it from the road to Las Catalinas, or there's a hill between Playa Penca and Playa Prieta. And right behind me is the gorgeous and well-acclaimed Casa Chameleon Hotel, and the spot where they're building the brand new amazing condos. I hope you check out this beautiful property. Here we are at the beautiful Playa Penca beach. It's a white sand beach. It's also a hidden gem. You access it down a gravel road, really close to the soccer field in Playa Potrero. It's bordered by this beautiful rocky outcrops, and it's a great place to hang out, go swimming, go stand-up paddleboarding, enjoy the sunset, and have a beautiful day here in Costa Rica. Drinking pipas, watching the sunset, this is the best life. Pura vida. Playa Penca is about 1 kilometer long. From here, you've got a great view of the Flamingo Marina. You're surrounded by palm trees and jungle, white sands, beautiful water. It doesn't get better than this. If you want to know more about properties in Playa Prieta or Playa Penca, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I'd love to talk to you. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.